Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk to you guys about why VantageScore has made the change to go ahead and not calculate unpaid medical bills against your credit score. Let's go and go straight into it. Into it. So as we know, last year they passed a bill to go ahead and keep the medical bills, well, actually to change the process in which medical bills actually show up on your credit report. For those who don't know, medical bills, they must go unpaid for 6 months. And then once they go unpaid for 6 months, then they will be added to your credit report. Okay. Now, as we know, medical bills is essentially, a medical bill, right, that you just didn't pay, and they sell it to a collection company. Now it's a collection, and you go through this whole process. However, credit was never designed, for that reason. The credit was designed to say, hey, how are your obligations with borrowing money and paying it back? Not necessarily, obviously getting a medical bill that you cannot afford to pay. And then now it puts you in a position where, it hurts your credit score. So the problem is that only VantageScore has made this change, not FICO. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, for those who don't know, Fair Isaac Incorporation, also known as FICO, 90% of lenders actually use them. As a matter of fact, I've never seen anyone use VantageScore. Don't get me wrong. VantageScore is a great platform software that's available and actually provides the scoring algorithms for many of the top places that we check our scores. Number one being Credit Karma. Number two being Credit Wise. Number three being Identity IQ. Number four being Wallet Hub. The list goes on and on. Not to mention Equifax.com and TransUnion.com. They actually sell that product that you can technically get for free through Credit Karma. However, obviously, the cheapest place to see all three scores is going to be Identity IQ, which, by the way, if you're looking to check that out, the link is in the description if you want to save money on that. Either way, so you're going to see an average. If you have any unpaid medical bills on your credit reports, that will no longer get factored into the scores. So on average, people are going to see anywhere between a 15 to 25 point increase just by simply checking your scores, right? Again, here's the problem. 90% of lenders, actually, most financial institutions, lenders, so on and so forth, they use FICO, right? So if Vantage made this change, but then not many people use Vantage, what is the benefit of that? Well, this could be a step in the right direction that there's now starting to essentially give and partner with more people. But I'm gonna be honest with you. A lot of these financial institutions, they're really old school. I worked at a car dealership for 6 years. It took them a long time to just kind of get beyond the new wave of where credit is going and education is going and things of that sort. I'm just saying that to say the banking system in general is really old school. I don't see them changing over to VantageScore so quickly. As we can see, it's been out for years and they haven't taken advantage of it. So that said, the only way that you're really going to see a huge benefit is if FICO decides to make this change. However, I at least want to let you guys know that's really going to be the biggest reasons why you're going to see a random 15 to 25 point jump. This isn't something you may see right away. This is something you're probably going to see between now and the end of the year. So you're probably like, oh, my score just went up. Is that why? It may not be the reason why. But if you got medical bills and you know who you are, that's on your credit report, though, by the way, then, of course, you'll see that it's not going to be affecting your score. And you're probably going to see that here, honestly, before September, October. But if you don't, then give it to the end of the year. All right. So if you like this video, like it. You want to share it, share it. If you feel like it's going a step in the right direction, right? I think it is for the industry, right? But be sure to subscribe as well, too. Until that next time, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one.